Hello, this is Archie from Crafting with Archie and welcome to this video. This is a very simple little project we're making today. It's just a little wooden decoration, as you can see. This one I've stamped on Whisper White and then coloured him in and then put him down. This one I stamped using straight onto the wood and coloured him with our Stampin' White markers, and I'm not really happy with the way he turned out. You can see there's a little bit of bleeding and I don't like it, so this way it's working much better and I love it. So let me show you how I did it. I'm using this gorgeous set, the Freezin Fun stamp set, and I used the penguin, and I'm going to use this little rabbit this time. Okay, so scrap piece of Whisper White, stamp it in Memento so we can colour it in using the alcohol markers, Stampin' Blend alcohol markers. Okay, there we go, simple as that. Now I'm going to bring in my markers quickly to do just a little bit of colouring, and I've been doing so many videos recently that I've got them up here in my filming desk, just in this little bag. So let me get out what I need. Okay, so I coloured in a little rabbit. I did it off camera, but you've seen me colouring a lot of times, and I'll link to another video where I coloured in this exact same rabbit before. And then I cut him out with the matching Freezin Fun dies. You could of course also fussy cut him out. So let's bring back our wooden ornament, and we're just basically going to stick this down. So the one I did before with the penguin I fussy cut. This one I didn't, so this one will have the white border around the edge. Come on, Tombo. I'm going to stick it down with Tombo because it can get into all these small areas that Snail or Tear and Tape or something would struggle with. You could obviously put adhesive sheet on the back here, and that would also work, I think. I haven't done it, but I think it would work. And then you're just going to stick him well, you were going to stick him down if I didn't just move him, and I'm just going to push down from the back like that. So there we go, there's our little fella or girl. And you can see here is with the I fussy cut out, here's the one I didn't fussy cut out, so you can choose which you prefer. Now for some finishing touches, this is all the trimmings combo pack, and you can use whichever colour you like. This is the red. I used that last time, so let's use the green instead. Let's introduce another colour, give us a little bit more if I can get. I hate these plastic thingy-majiggies that they have to keep the ribbon in place. Drive me mental, they really do. So I can never find the ends, never get them off, and I'm always scared when I cut that I'm going to cut through my precious ribbon. There we go. Okay, yuck, get rid of all that. Here is the ribbon, and initially we're going to just tie a little bow. So let's do that. Try and even it up a little bit. See, yeah, that'll do fine. Okay, so trim the tails like that, and then I'm going to use a bit more of this ribbon, about that much, don't have to be specific. And all I'm going to do here is thread one through, take it to the top, tie a knot, I managed the bow, but now I can't tie a knot. That's sod's law, isn't it? There we go. One knot done. Cut off the excess, or you can keep the excess if you want. I love this ribbon. I just love the gold edging. And then I'm just going to use my handy dandy glue dots. I love these mini glue dots, as you know, to stick my bow somewhere like that. And there you go, there's the rabbit and there's the penguin. Which do you like better? Let me know in the comments below, A or B. So thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know, and don't forget to subscribe to future videos. If you want any more information about this project, supply list, links to my online shop, etc., it's on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. That includes my Facebook group where I host a monthly card club. We make 4 to 5 lovely little projects, and I send you the kit to make everything, and we craft together one evening and have lots of fun, so do check that out. So thank you once again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.